Hey, I'm going to show you how you can make a trip. So this is our page which has all the upcoming trips listed. And a trip is basically a tour, with dates and prices. For example, here you can see there are dates, and there's a price for this trip. So how do you create your own trip? You go to your Maestro profile where we've already curated this tour. You can just click on Plan a New Journey. Click here, Plan a New Journey. The first thing you have to do is select what type of journey is it. A Maestro-led journey means you as a Maestro will be leading this journey. You'll be travelling on this trip. Social's journey is you have curated this trip, but you will not be travelling. A member of the Journey On team will be leading this trip. And a private booking is a tour that is in your profile that any of your customers can come and book through you. So I'm just going to click on Maestro-led journey if I'm leading this journey. You can select a start date. So let's say this is in August and I want to start on this day. It'll automatically put the end date. It also gives you an option for an alternate date in case for some reason the first dates are not possible. So I'm just going to click on an alternate date. Then you can set your payment margin, which is basically the commission that you are going to make per person. So for example, if I put 10% and the price of the trip is $950, you'll get $95 per person commission. You can select the group size. Suppose I want this to be a 10-person group. And you can also set the age. Like if you want, you can set the group age to be between 20 and 50. And any additional request, you can type it here and submit your journey request. So now when you come to your profile, you can see leading as a Maestro, this journey has been requested. You will get an email once the operations team approves your request. You can go back and check your Maestro profile, and you will see that your journey has been approved. Now you can go ahead and personalize this, so click on Personalize. This is a summary, which is basically your dates, the group size, the price, and your payment margin. So now you can go ahead and upload a new image if you like. You can change the trip name. You can also change the subtitle. And you can go through the overview and see if there's anything here that you want to edit. You can edit directly here, and you can submit the changes. So now your profile will show personalization in review. Like before, you will get an email when your trip gets published. It is now live on our website, and people can click on Join this journey to book and make a payment. Congratulations on building a trip.